the beginning, before time itself was measured, there was nothing but darkness, an endless void, silent, vast, and without form. Then in a single moment, everything changed. A spark erupted and the universe was born. Galaxies spiraled outward, stars ignited like candles in the night, and the great cosmic stage came alive. Among these countless stars, one would become our sun. It was born from a colossal cloud of gas and dust, pulled together by the invisible hand of gravity. As the cloud collapsed, heat and pressure built until nuclear fire ignited at its core. Our sun shone for the first time, casting light into the surrounding darkness. But the sun was not alone. Around it swirled a massive disk of cosmic debris, rock, ice, and gas colliding endlessly. These fragments clumped together, forming the building blocks of new worlds. One of those worlds was our Earth. At first, it was no paradise. A molten sphere of rock, its surface boiling with lava, its skies filled with poisonous gases. For millions of years, Earth endured a violent bombardment. Asteroids the size of mountains crashed down, shaping its surface with fire and impact craters. One collision would change everything. A Mars-sized body, now known as Theia, slammed into the young Earth with unimaginable force. The collision was catastrophic. Earth's crust shattered, molten rock and vapor shot into orbit, and from this chaos, the Moon was born. Our planet, once alone, now had a companion. The Moon's gravity steadied Earth, slowing its wild spins and setting the rhythm of tides. Slowly, the violence began to subside. Earth's surface cooled, its fiery skin hardening into a crust of rock. Volcanoes erupted across the land, releasing steam, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, forging the first primitive atmosphere. Then came the rains. Clouds gathered, storms raged, and for thousands upon thousands of years, rain fell without end. The water filled deep basins and valleys, and the first oceans were born. In these oceans, something extraordinary began. At the cracks of the seafloor, where heat and minerals poured into the depths, the chemistry of life found its spark. Tiny cells, simple and fragile, came into being. They multiplied, feeding on the energy of the Earth itself. These were the first ancestors of every plant, every animal, and every human that would ever live. Over millions of years, life spread. Microscopic colonies built strange rocky towers, stromatolites, rising from shallow seas. With time, these humble microbes changed the world, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. The skies, once choked with haze, slowly turned a brilliant blue. For the first time, Earth could breathe. More complex cells appeared, cells with internal structures, capable of greater possibilities. Eventually, these cells learned to work together, forming multicellular organisms. Life grew larger, stronger, and more diverse. Then, 500 million years ago, came an event of explosive creativity, the Cambrian explosion. In a geological instant, oceans filled with strange new creatures. Trilobites scuttled across the seafloor, jellyfish drifted with the currents, and predators with armored jaws stalked their prey in the dark. The Earth itself was alive with change. Continents drifted like rafts across the surface, crashing together to form mountains, splitting apart to open new oceans. Volcanoes reshaped the land, and ice ages came and went. From the seas, life crawled onto land. Plants spread across barren continents, turning deserts into forests of green. Insects buzzed through the air, and the first amphibians left the safety of the water to walk on solid ground. Then came giants. For over 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled the land. They grew to incredible sizes, some soaring into the skies, others thundering across plains in herds. But no rain lasts forever. 65 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck the Earth. The skies darkened, fires raged across continents, and the age of dinosaurs ended in fire and ash. From the ashes, new life rose. Small mammals, once hiding in shadows, spread across the Earth. They grew, adapted, and evolved, eventually giving rise to primates and, much later, to us, humans, children of stardust, born from oceans and shaped by Earth's trials. We learned to harness fire, to build tools, and to create civilizations. We carved monuments into stone, raised cities to the skies, and gazed upward, wondering where we came from. But for all our knowledge, Earth remains fragile. Its balance between chaos and harmony is delicate, its resources finite, its beauty irreplaceable. This planet, our home, is a rare jewel in the cosmos, a world born from fire, shaped by destruction and alive with wonder. From darkness came light, from chaos came order, from dust came life. This is the story of Earth.